10년간 일했던 교수직을 내려놓고 갑작스레 이사를 준비하는 오늘의 주인공 존. 그를 송별하기 위해 동료 교수들이 그의 집을 찾아왔고
If we'd had more time, we'd have done something a little more grandiose.
Art's gonna be along too, Hisa.
What is this? It looks like a Van Gogh, but I've never seen it before.
Gift someone gave me.
Still, it's a superb copy. You'll have this looked at, appraised.
Wouldn't really want money for it.
So you're leaving good old we teach you.
동료들은 학과장 승진을 목전에 둔 존이 갑자기 떠나려 하는 것에 의문을 갖게 됩니다.
It's a personal thing.
Well, not to pry.
I'm sorry, I don't have more to offer you. I do have this.
Johnny Walker Green. What do they pay you?
Nothing's too good for my friends.
Woo! Here, cups. There we go. All right, here, join the circle at least. Come on.
And colleague John Oman.
존의 미래를 기원하며 건배를 하던 동료 교수들은 거실에서 돈 주고도 못 구할 구석기 시대의 물건들을 발견하게 됩니다.
Yes, indeed, that's what it is.
Make spear and harpoon points. This is a very nice specimen.
So where'd you get that, John?
Believe it or not, from a thrift shop. A quarter.
자신과의 이별을 아쉬워하며 집까지 찾아와준 동료들이 고마워서인지 존은 무언가를 잠시 고민하더니
Are you on America's Most Wanted? We won't turn you in.
On out with it. You're among friends.
갑자기 황당한 질문을 던지게 됩니다.
I wonder if I could ask you a silly question. What if a man from the Upper Paleolithic survived until the present day?
Never die?
Yes. What would he be like?
It's an interesting idea. What are you working on a science fiction story? Like any of us.
Dan, a caveman?
I mean, say Cro-Magnon and us.
각 분야의 전문가인 교수들은
He wouldn't. John.
존의 질문에 외관적으로는 자신들과 큰 차이 없을 것이며 긴 시간을 이용해 방대한 지식을 갖고 있을 것 같다고 답변해 주죠.
Astonishing.
Perfect regeneration. You know what could happen? Yeah, the pancreas turns over cells every 24 hours, the stomach lining, in 3 days, the entire body. Waste accumulates, eventually proves fatal, led to perfect detox. He could duck decay. Hey, you know, the more I think about it, yeah, it's possible. As they thought Columbus was a nut job, right?
답변을 들은 존은 자신이 콜럼버스와 항해를 했다는 말을 하게 되고
Look around, John.
Suppose there's a joke in there somewhere, but I don't get it.
It's nothing to get.
You started the whiskey before we got here?
Every 10 years or so, when people start to notice I don't age, I move on.
장난으로 받아들이는 동료들에게 자신이 35살의 모습에서 노화가 멈춘 채 무려 14,000년을 살아왔다고 고백하게 됩니다.
I aged to about 35. I ended up leading my group. They saw me as magical. Fear came, and they chased me away.
The historic origin of the vampire myth, that is good.
I kept
믿을
getting
수 없는
chased
그의 말에
because I wouldn't die.
동료 교수들은 일단 장단을 맞춰주며 그에게 논리적인 질문들을 던지기 시작합니다.
What was the terrain like?
Before they were separated from the continent by rising seas.
That happened?
So far, what he says fits.
Oh, yeah, into any textbook.
존은 먼 과거의 지형 정보조차 정확히 알고 있었고
You'd be more fun.
집에 있던 그림도 반 고에게 직접 받은 것이라 말합니다.
That Van Gogh.
Oh, he gave it to me. I was Jacques Bourne at the time. He would come out to the place, paint, and we talked about capturing nature in art.
Well, I don't understand why you can't remember where you're from.
Where did you live when you were 5 years old?
I don't know.
How far? And if you went back there today, would it be the same?
When did you come to America?
1890, right after Van Gogh's death, with some French immigrants moving on.
An answer for every question.
Wanted to say goodbye to you.
Since this isn't funny, we think you might have a problem.
동료 교수는 증거가 될 만한 물건들이 있냐 묻지만
Like this, maybe.
만년 이상을 산 존에게는 모든 물건들이 큰 의미를 갖지 못한다고 답합니다.
Keep that.
Interesting.
한편 떠난다는 존에게 그의 조교 샌디가 다가와 고백을 하게 되고
I know,
Since my first week at the office.
but now you know what you'd be getting into.
Could you love me?
The simple fact is I can't give you forever.
Whoever really has it.
존 역시 그녀가 마음에 들었었지만 이별에 대한 두려움으로 쉽게 답하지 못했습니다.
you. Take whatever you can get.
Learning languages
계속해서
is that way.
이야기를 이어가던
So I was
존은
Sumerian for 2000
과거
years.
부처를 만난 사실까지 말하게 되는데
I continued east. Luckily, at the time of the Buddha, most extraordinary man I've ever known.
You studied with the Buddha?
He knew there was something different about me.
This is fascinating. I almost wish it were true.
This was a bad idea. I love you all, and I do not want to put you through any.
John!
그때 정신과 박사 윌이 집을 찾아오게 됩니다.
John, but these people are all very concerned for you.
Prove his story to us. Just like there's no way for us to disprove it. My friend is
어느새 이곳은 존의 존재를 입증하는 자리가 돼버렸고 동료들은 이번엔 존의 병력에 대해 묻게
As a
되는데
physician, I'm curious. Have you ever been ill?
I've gotten over typhoid, yellow fever.
존은 오랫동안 살면서 갖은 병들을 겪어왔지만
Daniel scar.
생존은 물론 흉터조차 없다고 답했고 그의 말이 터무니없다 생각한 윌은 그에게 총을 쏴보는 건 어떠냐고 답하게 되죠.
If I shot you, John.
I never said I was immortal, just old.
Oh, may I?
Well, that was a bit much.
14,000 years. Injuries, illness, disasters. You've survived them all. Very lucky man. You have lived while everyone you knew.
Well, what can I do about it?
Indeed. Would you prefer I asked him about his father?
Remember a figure?
I could scarcely remember mine.
가족의
Probably
기억도
many
없이
that you valued
계속
in
떠돌이
Texas
생활을 한다는
who saw them
그에게
age,
교수는
die.
존이 혼자 계속 살아남아왔다면 뱀파이어처럼 다른 사람들의 생명을 빼앗으며 살아남은 건 아니냐고 따져 묻게 됩니다.
Or are you a vampire, John? Alive and tall in a graveyard that you
그는
helped
결국
to fill?
감정이
Is that what
격해지며
you're doing?
총까지 들고 마는데
It is time to die.
You give me that gun or I'm gonna break your goddamn arm.
I leave you with it.
Jesus Christ.
It's not like Will.
Mary passed away yesterday.
사실 그는 어제 아내와 사별하고 제정신이 아니었던 것이었죠.
I'll by myself.
Will.
동료들의 부탁으로 말을 이어가던 존은
I'd like to hear more.
Raises an interesting question.
Where were you in 1292 AD?
Where were you a year ago on this date?
Are you religious, John?
어째서인지 종교적인 질문에는 답변을 망설이다.
We should skip this one.
No, skip it. Come on.
Come on, spit it out.
Good Lord, you were one of them.
Guy met the Buddha. Liked what he heard. Thought about it for a while. Became
자신이 예수였다는 사실을 고백하게 됩니다.
He went to the Near East thinking, why not pass the Buddha's teachings on in a modern form? The rest is history.
He's saying he was Christ.
Thus I was resurrected.
You don't mean a word of this, John.
All the speculations about Jesus. He was black, he was Asian.
몇몇 동료들은 구체적이고 사실적인 그의 말을 믿었지만 절실한 기독교인인 에디슨은 그에게 신성모독을 멈춰달라 말합니다.
That's where the Buddha brought it.
And that's what I taught.
This is blasphemy.
잠시 후 흥분을 가라앉힌 윌 박사가 다시 돌아오게 되고
I still don't believe you, of course. You like the fire, John?
Childhood fixation, I guess. Helps me to feel secure.
There are predators out there.
You got 4 men of science completely baffled, my friend.
You weren't Jesus.
Are there any more revelations for us?
You weren't Jesus. Were you?
If I said no, could you ever be sure?
This has gone far enough. It's gone much too far.
그는 존에게 장난을 멈춰달라며 거짓말이었다고 하지 않으면 존을 정신병원에 강제 입원을 시킬 수밖에 없다 말합니다.
I can have you committed for observation. That you tell these people the truth.
무거워진 분위기로 인해 존은 그들이 듣고 싶어했던 답변을 하게 되고
It was all a story.
All of it, but what?
Got the notion? I ran it past you to check your reactions, and I took it too far.
How could you do this to us?
I was worried about you.
I've had enough of this. I'm out of here. You want to come? Let's go.
It was nice seeing you again, Dr. Oldman.
동료들은 하나씩 실망하며 자리를 떠나기 시작하는데
It's a beautiful idea. So full of possibilities.
Perhaps you should write a paper on it, Doctor.
샌디만은 끝까지 존을 믿어줍니다.
But the one thing that I know about you is that you would never use people. What's your real name?
It was always John.
Why'd you cave to Gruber?
What happened was enough.
14,000 years old. I bet that's a lot of women.
Sandy?
I'm gonna stay.
Are you sorry for some of those things you said?
I'm sorry I said them.
Oh, John. You did a terrible thing.
But I admit I got a kick out of chasing my tail around your maypole later on.
Okay, good night.
Something about this. Everybody keeps saying anything's possible.
존이 샌디에게 과거에 사용했던 이름들을 말하다 밖으로 나오던 윌 박사가 그것을 듣게 됐는데
What other pun names have you
I
used?
was teaching at Harvard. I was John Thomas Partee.
Wait. Boston?
Your mother's name.
윌 박사는 존이 자신이 어린 시절 집을 버리고 떠나섰던 아버지란 사실을 알게 됩니다.
My dog's name. Wolfie. Wolfie. She said you abandoned us.
Will?
하지만 그때 아내와의 사별로 인해 정신적으로 약해져 있던 윌 박사는 갑작스레 누적된 충격으로 지병이었던 심장병이 악화되며 그 자리에서 죽고 맙니다. 처음으로 자신의 혈육이 죽는 걸 직접 보게 된 존. 항상 혼자였던 존은 다시 한번 떠날 준비를 하게 되는데 마음을 바꾸며 자신을 믿어주고 사랑해주는 샌디와 함께 하려는 그의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마칩니다. 영화 잘 보셨나요? 영화 맨 프롬 어스는 2007년에 개봉한 미국 SF 영화입니다. 영화는 낡은 오두막집에서 몇몇 사람들이 모여 이야기를 나누는 것뿐이었던 초저예산의 영화였지만 SF 영화는 화려한 CG보다는 기획과 상상력이 더 중요하다는 걸 보여준 작품이었습니다. 몰입감이 훌륭한 영화로 색다른 느낌의 SF 영화를 찾고 계신다면 풀영상을 찾아보셔도 나쁘지 않을 것 같습니다. 오늘도 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사의 말씀드리고요. 즐거운 감상 되셨다면 구독과 좋아요는 저에게 큰 힘이 되니 꼭 부탁드리겠습니다. 이상 디코무비였습니다.